This is everything that comes in the box. You get the instruction manual, a little polarity inverter, which is handy, and of course the MPPT Solar Charge Controller itself. And it's set up for gel, AGM and lithium batteries. Goes between 20 to 100%. It'll show you the output in the middle here. You've got settings on the side here. Well, when I say settings, I mean you press the button here and it changes the settings here to whichever battery you want. You've got a USB Type-C, USB Type-A outlet. So it's a very versatile little unit. We'll be taking it outside, popping it on a solar panel and see if this thing performs. And to change the output, you open up the little flap on the side, the button, you hold down for 3 seconds and you'll see the light here, the gel one flashes. Tap the button one more time, it jumps over to AGM, one more time, goes over to lithium, and if you leave it for 3 seconds, it'll stay on whatever you select. Now to check the amperage, you just simply tap the button on the bottom and you can see we're pumping out 7.1, 7.22 amps. Overall, the MPPT Solar Charger Controller appears to work extremely good. Very easy to set the controls to whatever you want. The performance has been excellent so far, nothing to complain about, and I'd be very happy to recommend this solar panel charger controller for anyone that's in the market for one. I think it's an excellent buy.